In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automation in Mailerlite. We'll walk through setting up a simple workflow in the new Mailerlite interface, step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to build an automation that runs on its own in the background and nurtures your subscribers. First, once you're logged into your Mailerlite account, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see an option labeled Automation. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your current and future workflows will live, and it's the main hub for anything that needs to run automatically. On the automation page, look for the new automation button, usually near the top right area. Click that to start creating a brand new workflow. Mailerlite will then give you a few ways to begin. For this tutorial, choose Start from Scratch. This option gives you full control and is perfect when you're learning, because you'll see how every part fits together. Next, you'll be prompted to name your automation. Pick a clear, descriptive name, something like Welcome Series for New Subscribers, or Lead Magnet Follow-up. This makes it easier later when you have multiple automations running. After you've named it, make sure to save so Mailerlite can create the base of your workflow. Now it's time to choose your workflow trigger. The trigger is what tells Mailerlite when to start this automation. A common example is when subscriber joins a group. This works really well for welcome sequences, free downloads, or any time someone is added to a specific audience segment. Select the trigger that best matches what you want to happen and confirm your choice. Once the trigger is set, you'll see a visual canvas of your workflow. Click the plus icon on the canvas to start building out the steps. From here, you can add an email to send a message, a delay to pause for a certain amount of time before the next step, or a condition to branch your automation based on subscriber behavior, like whether they opened an email or clicked a link. Take a moment to plan the order of these elements so the experience feels natural for your subscribers. When you're happy with the structure and content of your workflow, look at the top of the screen for the workflow switch. By default, it's usually set to inactive. Toggle that switch to active. This is the final step that actually turns your automation on and allows Mailerlite to start enrolling subscribers as they meet your trigger conditions. And that's all you need to create an automation in the new Mailerlite interface.